So guys, as you all know, I am a massive fan of Hollywood Browser and their products, and I know you guys love them as well because every time I post something about them, my DMs just literally go insane. So I am going to tell you about their new little product. It's the Deluxe Dermaplane Inspire Kit, and it comes in this really cute little vegan leather bag, which is always lovely if it's vegan. So yeah, I'm going to show you what comes inside of that bag, how to use it, and all some little like information and things on that. So you guys keep asking how I get my skin so clear. Well guys, that is how, and how my makeup goes on so smooth. That is how, so I'm going to show you now. So first of all, as I've just shown you guys, you get the little vegan leather bag, and inside of that you get this microfiber little puff. So you know when you're scraping your face, you can wipe off all the dirt and the little hairs from your face and the dead skin cells that come off. And because it's black as well, it's really easy to see like the little blonde hairs and all the dirt, you know, the fake tan and stuff on there. And then you get this cute little headband to put obviously on your head when you're using it to get your hair off your face. And then you get a little mirror, so it's a magnifying mirror, and you can put this on the wall. It's got little suckers, little Hollywood Browser mirror. Oh my god, my fingerprints. You get these little makeup remover cleansing pads, which obviously you use before just to cleanse your face. They remove makeup, mascara with literally just water, so they are amazing. And then last, so guys, inside this is the smoother, as you can see, and if you click this button it vibrates, and what the vibrations do is it helps sort of cleanse your skin a little bit more. So the vibrations help bring sort of like the dirt to the surface. It also gets the blood flowing a lot more, so it helps your skin to glow. And what you want to do is you just want to hold that at a 45-degree angle and just go down. And as you're doing this, make sure you are wiping onto your pad each time. So just here. And what that's doing is it's removing any sort of blonde hairs, any dirt, any dead skin cells, to allow all your makeup to sit a lot nicer and for your products to penetrate the skin a lot deeper. So as you can see, oh my god, that is disgusting. Oh my god, that is disgusting. So I use this all the time. It's now part of like my full-time every sort of, well, I do sort of like every week. It's just part of my skincare routine now, guys. And I promise you, you will see a difference in, for one, how your skincare performs on your skin. After, make sure that you moisturise your skin and cleanse before you use it so that your skin is clean. But once you moisturise after, you will get better results from your moisturising creams, your anti-aging creams. And no, your hair does not grow back black. If your hair is blonde on your face, it will grow back exactly the same. So however it is, it will grow back the same. But yeah, swipe up to shop, guys. Use the link below. It will direct you to Look Fantastic. So yeah, make sure you swipe up to shop.